more stuff. I mean, this whole room is just more stuff at the moment. So, something that we didn't show you guys is that we did this.
We did a thing.
We did a thing. We took this bulkheady bit off, found the waste pipe for the ensuite toilet. We also ripped this carpet up, well, Deck ripped this carpet up, and found where the pipes go to the ensuite toilet. So that is where we can get our hot and cold water from for the bathroom. This room, oh, nice. So this room is definitely going to have to get done next because the carpet is ruined. But it was a necessity. Prepare to be amazed.
Ugh.
Brother,
Dirtiness.
yeah, imagine my face when I came home and Deck had done this. Before, when we took these up, you could see 2 long pipes that had just been left there. Deck's now taken them out because obviously they were really old and now we bought the new stuff. But we will be able to put the new pipes that we've bought today through this channel to go through to the other room to be able to go into the bathroom, which is good. It does mean that when you're in here and you've got taps running in the bathroom, you'll be able to hear it. But oh well.
Oh well, it's only a guess.
If you ever stay at our house and you hear some water in the middle of the night, it's because the bathroom's in there. Here's the pipes. One of these is a hot water pipe and one of these is a cold water pipe.
Which one that is, we do not know.
No, we don't. These elbow fittings we are changing to T fittings so that the mains water, which are these two, can come that way to still have the ensuite, but also two that will go that way connected to an elbow fitting, which will then run down that way into the bathroom, which is perfect. Very good.
Very nice.
So that's the plan anyway. However, I don't think we'll do the elbow fitting bit today. I think we're literally just going to try and run this one through and under there to try and connect to the bathroom. Are we having the full length here, or are we having the full length on the other side and then having an attachment on this side? You said that it's 3 meters.
It's probably about 3 meters from about there to where it needs to be on the other side of the wall.
Is it?
We're going to be close. So the only thing we can do now really is just get a pipe.
And see how far it goes.
See where it sits.
Right, if I stay on this side then, do you want to go on that side?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll feed it through to you. Sounds good. Let's get a pipe. Are you feeding it through to me?
I'll feed it through to the other side.
Yeah. So Declan is going to feed it through that hole there.
This hole right here.
Just there. Oh, it's here. Yes, I can see it. Wait, give me a sec. It's getting caught. Okay, go on. I'll tell you when I need to stop. All right, stop there. Might need to go a little bit further. Oh no, about there.
Well, it's about right, isn't it?
Yeah, it is about right.
You see where it is in other room?
Yeah.
I will pretty bang on with my estimation.
Oh wow.
That's where it is on this side.
Yeah, I hate walking on these, it scares me.
So we might have to cut an inch or two off.
Yeah.
So we can fit a fitting on.
Yeah.
And then the next pipe that follows on will be nice and secured in there.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, and then they're gonna cut off about here. And then one's gonna go out that way, and one's gonna go out that way.
Some will go that way.
Yeah.
This, I'm not too worried about the wires in there because it's only going to be a cold water pipe going that way.
Yeah, just to the toilet. Yeah.
So I'm fine it going through there. Yeah.
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 Nice, nice, nice. Something worked. Woohoo! Unlike the previous owners, we bought a bag of these, which are securing clips for the pipes, so that when the pipes have water going through them, they will not rattle. So, all you do is drill it down there. And then you secure the pipe in, slot the pipe into it, like so. And it just stays and it doesn't wobble anymore. I mean, obviously it's wobbling now because there's not a clip on all of them yet. But
eventually once all of them I've got it.
Yeah.
That's going to be a very nice and secure pipe.
Yeah. And it won't move and it won't rattle and the water will just go nicely through it. So these were a very good buy. They weren't that expensive either, were they?
These are about £1 for the bag, weren't
It wasn't £1. It was more than that, but it wasn't that bad. It was maybe about £4 for the bag. When we were paying for everything today, we were like, oh, that's expensive. But really, actually, it wasn't. I think altogether, including 4 timbers that we had to get, the 5 pipes, all of the fittings, the clips, and the like inserts that you have to get for the pipes, which like keeps them secure basically. I think altogether it was about £110 for everything, which really, if we'd have had to get a plumber in to do this, it would have cost a lot more. I'm quite happy with it actually. We don't know how much the cost of the total bathroom. We don't know how much the total cost of the bathroom is going to be until it's finished, because obviously like there's paint and stuff and things like that, but we don't think it's going to be that bad actually. Like we definitely thought it was going to be a lot more expensive than what it's going to turn out to be, which we're very happy about. So when we're having to pay £100 for a load of plumbing stuff, we don't mind too much really.
And
not really bad.
Left over for other plumbing projects.
Yeah, there should be. We wanted to make sure that we had definitely had enough, because we couldn't be bothered working out everything. We've definitely got way more elbow fittings than we need, and we've got more T fittings than we need. They'll do for anything. It's like we want to do this en suite at some point as well. When we do the en suite, we'll have all the plumbing to do that as well.
When we get to the next room and I install them. Oh, honestly, I live for stuff like this.
Oh yeah, he does. He's such a nerd for like tiny things like this.
that is like one of the best things ever made on earth ever.
Yeah.
It's a tiny little, and it
Well,
solves a lot of problems.
I will show you what it looks like when both pipes are in. We've got the next pipe in. I put some of the clips, some of the pipe in the clips, but it was kind of scary. One pipe here to connect to whichever this one is, the hot or the cold. And then we've got one here to connect to that hot or cold, which is perfect. Dex just putting a last securing bracket on there.
Look how neat that is.
It looks so neat. It looks so nice. It looks better than the last one that we found there.
Yeah.
Neither of us took a picture of it actually.
Send it to you.
Did you take a picture?
Took a picture so I can
Yeah.
send it to you and you
So-
can just go.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like now. This is what it looked like before. It was disgusting. Now it looks all clean and nice, so very happy with that. The next job is to fit some more pipe onto these two pipes. So these two pipes are going to go across to that gap there. So we need some straight connectors to connect them together. Dex just cutting those pipes off so that we've got a nice clean end.
No, this is just to shorten down a bit so you can fit the straight piece on.
Ah.
Then a bit more pipe and the securing brackets will be over.
Super. So we need two straight pieces. So here's one that I was testing earlier. And there's another one. And then we possibly might also put a couple of elbow pieces on the ones that are in the spare bedroom.
I mean, this is meant for metal pipes.
Yeah, it is working though, you can
It's
see
doing
it.
it.
Oh, actually, I need to go get the things that you put inside the pipe first as well. These are pipe inserts. You put them in the pipe, in the end of the pipe, and it basically makes them watertight. Well, to be fair, they would be watertight anyway, but they're just, I don't know, it's better for them. So basically what these do is it makes sure that the pipe keeps its shape. I think that's kind of the main thing about it, isn't it? And you can also get ones that don't have the blue bits on, but the blue rings basically make them more watertight. That's literally all that they do. But we thought that they'd be more secure, and they were actually cheaper than getting the ones that didn't have them on. So
Yeah, which is strange, isn't it?
yeah, a little bit weird.
Why would you get the ones that didn't have it?
Yeah. That's dirty. They just go in like that. Well, they're hard to get in. Does it go in more?
That you should do.
Oh, you might need to do them.
It's just very snug.
Yeah. Well, I suppose that's what it's meant to be like. Perfect. Dex just having a really good time putting these clips in and he don't want to stop.
I'm loving life. When I get stuff like this to do, I'm just happy.
Even a year ago, if you'd have said to us, you're going to do your own plumbing in this house, I would have been like, no, I'm not. And here we are, plumbing-ish for now. I never would have thought in my 25 years of life that I would be standing here now doing plumbing, but here we are. Now let's put these straight fittings on. I don't actually think that's what they're called. They're called straight something, straight connectors. I don't care, the fitting is fine.
Either or.
Yeah. Put that on there. And then you tighten it. And that's it. That's all you do.
What part?
And then I can put more pipes on it.
Woohoo!
Woo! That was very easy. So now that they're on, we can fit the pipe that goes to there. Whoa, this is zoomed in.
I zoomed in.
So now that they're fitted, we can put a pipe that goes to there, and then we can put some T-fittings on the end. So exciting times.
That's not on.
What's not on? I did tighten it. Is that way to put it on? Oh, I didn't push it hard enough. I'm an idiot.
Can't get that one out.
I was going to say, you made that one stuck now. Well, I'll go get another straight piece. Right, so this time I'm going to push it all the way on. There. That's better. There.
There we go.
That's more secure. I did better that time. I mean, we will make sure that they are fully tightened before we put the pressure on the water as well, but all the way on. And then twist. Yes, no. It doesn't want to.
I don't think this will work either.
It's like, no, I will not.
Go.
Yay, it did. Whoa,
Ow.
did you break something?
The clip broke.
Oh, and then smashed into your head.
And
Are you alright?
I felt like a bee sting.
At least the pipe didn't break.
Yeah, at least you won the pipe.
We could have got 100 of them. I'm scared. Yay. But that's looking very nice now. And now I can put a T-piece on the end.
TP.
Can I do it now?
Go ahead.
Yay. I think that's all the way on.
Yeah.
Yes, I did do it right, thank you.
You did do it right.
Thank you.
Now this one,
Yes.
um,
Yeah, I did think that. But if we run it slightly, can't the pipe bend underneath it or
yeah,
above
it could
it?
probably slightly bend
Yeah.
underneath.
I mean, how else would you do it otherwise? So this is how we're leaving it for today. We've got the two main pipes in. We've got the hot and the cold water. We've actually determined which one is going to link up to which as well, which is super. That one is going to get the hot water and that one will get the cold water. And now we've got the way that they can go to the sink and the toilet and the way that they can go to the bath and the shower. Good job. Yeah, I know, very dirty. Yeah. But we actually said that this is so easy and so simple that we might even just do it after work a couple of days next week and get all the plumbing sorted. So, woohoo!